Okay, this is a review on the 5200 chainsaw, gasoline chainsaw. I bought it online, brand new, and after the first hour it broke down. Flywheel broke, so I replaced it. That one broke as well. But now, full start. It's starting to go funny as well. Well, brand new chainsaw's not very good. It's got heaps of power, probably too much power for the flywheel. So I'm going to pull it apart and see what's going on. Okay, so we've pulled it apart, and as you can see, the flywheel, this is a brand new one, and it's starting to burn already. I haven't even used it. Pulled it a few times and it's starting to wear out already. But not only that, if you look at the pull start's broken already as well. The piece out here that's missing, and that's why it's not kicking it over. Brand new. Probably about an hour's worth of work. Now I'm going to do a comparison with the flywheel from a McCulloch. This is the McCulloch. Big difference to that. And that's a very small motor. That's a 52cc motor. This is smaller. Look at these. Big difference. And the other thing too is you just can't buy these. You have to buy a whole new flywheel. And they only just pop in. This is the old one. These, but you can't get them. You got to buy them. That's if you can buy them online anymore. I noticed they've stopped selling them. They were guaranteeing them for a year, but I assume they're breaking straight away. Okay, that's my Trojan saw down there. I picked it up for 150 New Zealand, and it's a good saw, it just keeps going. It's good for chopping up the small stuff as well. Gets through it real fast. As we have a lot of willows in our paddocks at the moment, we've been just chopping them up. But yeah, that's a good saw. I'd recommend it to anybody. Okay, so you've still got the problem. You bought a chainsaw that's useless, and you've still got a heavy wood to chop up. So I couldn't afford a new chainsaw after that, so I went online. I purchased this Husqvarna 40 for about 240 New Zealand. The good thing about it was I could pick it up. Not only could I pick it up, I saw it going before I brought it. Check the chain. Chain's getting a wee bit warm now, but I've had a hell of a lot of use out of it, and it was well worth the buy. As long as you keep the maintenance up on it, oil and that, they'll run good. It's a good wee chainsaw, does the job. And to cut the smaller branches, to trim the branches up, I bought a wee McCulloch, wee electric, for 25 New Zealand. It's 14 years, and it's quite good. Good value for 25 bucks. Does a good wee job. So there you have it. Just check if you can. If you're going to buy online, buy something you can see working. Not check on it. Get a guard before you purchase. Okay. Come on, you little bugger, answer.